this. So today, man, we got some good old gutter cleaning, yard cleaning, bro, right there with the gas. We're gonna blow that off. Let me show y'all this side, though. I got you. Here I come, bro. Okay, we got the golf course in the back. Stop paying people that don't know what they doing. These people, I don't know who put their gutters on, but why the fuck would you put some gutter guards that's gonna fall right off? It don't make no sense. This go under this. Okay, this go under that. All right then. Fuck y'all talking about. Call us, man. Call the hog. We do it up. What's this? Oh my goddamn phone on, bro. Yes, sir.